This is the Stealth Core Trainer. It is a plank board that works with your smartphone. And it's supposed to make your plank workouts a little bit more enjoyable, and it keeps track of your progress. And overall, it's supposed to make working out a little bit more comfortable. So in this video, we're going to put it to the test. We're going to play the 4 free games that are included on the app. And at the end of the video, I'm going to let you guys know if I think it is worth it or not. But before we get started, I got to give you guys my disclaimer. This product was given to me not by Stealth Fitness. This was given to me by a friend. So I did not pay for this board, but it was not given to me by Stealth Fitness. This video is not sponsored. So with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay, right here we got the plank board. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features, which there aren't many. It's pretty simple, but it's very effective. Obviously right here you got your cushions. This is where you'll put your forearms. And on the bottom of the base, you can see that there's like a ball right here that allows you to keep your balance and to move left and right, up and down. And over here is where you can put your phone. You either put it in vertical or horizontal mode, depending on the game. And I don't really know what this is right here. I can't really take it out. I don't know what it is, but that's there. And obviously do not stand on this board because you will fall over. If you put your 2 feet right here, what's gonna happen is you're just gonna fall forward or backwards. I know it's very tempting because this is very bright, it's yellow. You're kind of tempted to just stand on it, but don't do it. Now let's talk about the app and the 4 games that are available to play for free. So with the Stealth Fitness app, you're gonna have to make an account to keep track of your progress and to access the free games, as well as the premium games. If you wanna play different games other than the 4 free games that are included, then there is a subscription that you can pay. I think it's like $5 a month, or you can try it 1 month for $1, and that will give you access to other games. These are the premium games as they call it. I have not tried them. I think that will be for another video where I try out the premium games. But like I said in the beginning, I want to focus on the 4 free games and the board itself. Okay, so the first game we're going to try is called Speed Gliding, and it's self-explanatory. It is gliding. All of these games are pretty much the same. You move your board up, down, left, and right. Speed gliding, your goal is to go through the hoops and to avoid the obstacles. And I think you got to hit these boxes for extra points. So right now you are looking at some gameplay that I recorded a few days ago. I think this was like my 2nd or 3rd time trying. And the first time you get on this board, it's going to be a little bit difficult. So you're not only keeping your balance, you're not only doing the plank exercise, but then you're also moving left and right according to the game. That took a few tries to get used to. So I'm probably going to say this a few times, but these games are pretty basic and they're designed that way because they're made for you to play for like a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and that's it. They're not made for you to play for like a whole hour. And out of the 4 free games, I think speed gliding is the hardest one for me. The next game we're going to try is called Color Chase. So for this game, as you can see, you're going to have to rotate your phone and put it in portrait mode. All you got to do is move your ball left and right according to the colors. So if your ball turns green, you got to match it with the other green balls and you got to go through the hoops. It's very simple, but after 30 seconds, I felt the burn with this one. And as you can see on the top, the game will track your progress. So you don't got to worry about counting in your head how long you've been doing your plank. The game will keep track of that for you. Or if you really want to, you can test out your endurance and you can keep playing until you fall over. And the next game is called Galaxy Adventure. This one is probably the most unique because the background keeps changing a lot. So it's very unpredictable. And finally, the last free game is called Space Escape. And this is a platformer where all you got to do is move left and right and land on a platform. And I don't know if you guys remember this game called Doodle Jump. It was like one of the first iPhone games when the App Store first came out. This is exactly like Doodle Jump. So same idea, you're moving left and right, you're jumping on the platforms, and sometimes the platform will break and you gotta jump up the springs. This one is pretty fun too, but this one was a little bit stressful. So out of these 4 games, my favorite one is Color Chase. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I'm just gonna say it again. Color Chase is my favorite one. You don't want to make the mistake of focusing too much on the game and then your position is not correct, or you're probably going to hurt yourself and lose your balance. You want to like focus on the game, but also making sure that you're doing the exercise correctly. And as you can see on the bottom of the app, you can see your stats, you can see your leaderboard, there's challenges. So obviously this board is a solo workout, it's only for 1 person, but if you want to connect with other people, there is a official Facebook group page. And that is a way to connect with other people who are also using the Stealth Core Trainer. People, they share their progress, they share tips, they share their stories. Even if you're just interested in buying this board, I would recommend going on that group page and looking at what other people are posting. Maybe even talk to them, ask them questions. It's pretty unique because you see people on there that they take this board and they go outside with it. They take it to the park. I did not know that was a thing, but yeah, the Stealth Fitness Facebook group is pretty interesting. Now we got to answer the question, is it worth it? The board itself is pretty solid. It doesn't feel like a cheap toy. It is definitely more comfortable than doing a plank exercise on the floor. I felt like the plank workout was working more on my abs. I felt like the Stuffed Core trainer was working on different parts of my body, which is a good thing. I can't say for sure the results that I got because I only been using it for a few days. As with all fitness exercises, it takes a few weeks to really see the results and to really get an idea of what is working out for you. But overall, I can say that it is effective. I felt like I got a simple workout in when I used it for about 3 minutes, and that's the recommended time to use this, about 3 minutes a day, and within a month you should see some results. But if the gym is not for you and you're willing to commit, then I think this is worth it. So that is it for my review on the Stuffed Core trainer. I will have part 2 where I review the premium games that are a part of the subscription service. That should be pretty fun. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments below. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Ernesto.Tech.